Today, we're looking at a sweet tool from Nvidia. It's called Chat with RTX. That's right, it's an AI chatbot that exists only in your PC. It's not connected to the cloud, only locally. And that's a good thing. So go ahead and go to this website, go to the right hand side and click on download now. It's a huge file, 35 gigabyte at least. Once you download it, go ahead and extract it and run the exe file. Click on agree and continue. Click on next. Click on next again. Click on next. The whole installation process takes forever. I don't know, maybe 20 minutes. It's trying to download more stuff again. I would say now is a good time to get some snacks, like ice cream. By default, it's going to install into this local directory. If you're curious how big it is, it's about 30 gigabytes. Not too bad, but then again, that's pretty big. I'm told that this is a normal size because of all the machine learning stuff that resides on your computer. So it's kind of interesting that it took 35 gigabytes to download. Maybe some of the files exist outside of this folder. So in this case, it's about 7.3 gigabytes. After installation is done, go ahead and checkbox the launch and then click on close. If it gives you an error, go ahead and just click on OK. Click on OK again. OK, OK. Click on Allow Access. Just opening the program itself takes a while, as you can see. Once it's all set, you can see that it opens a website, an internal website. There's only one AI model, and that's the Mistral. First, I'm going to give it some local folder path. Click on a pencil icon and go ahead and choose the folder you want. I'm giving it this folder where it has all of my documents. Currently, it will work with Word, PDF, and text. Maybe in the future, it will work with JPG files. So once you give it your local folder path, it will try to analyze it or something. And this step takes a while as well. There we go, it's ready now. Feel free to type whatever you want in this text box. So I'm curious which text files contain Hotmail. Hotmail is a password I usually use when I was young. Click on send and bam, it tells me all of these files have Hotmail in it. And we can go ahead and verify if one of these text files does indeed have Hotmail or not. Should be easy. There we go, it does indeed have Hotmail. Back then in the late 90s, we didn't care too much about passwords, so that's why passwords back then were very easy. It's very common for people to have passwords like password 123 for instance. Obviously, I don't use the password Hotmail anymore. I'm using Bitwarden to secure all of my accounts. And I highly recommend that you use Bitwarden as well. Alright, let's try something else. We're going to use YouTube URL. Enter in the URL. So I'm going to enter in my favorite YouTube, which is one of my recent video. This one right here on WLED. Go ahead and copy the URL. Paste it here. I have no idea what the number 25 is, and if you do, please let me know. I tried to Google this, but apparently nobody else knows as well. When you're ready, click on the download transcript. Go ahead and type whatever you want. So I'm going to ask it, what is this video about? And then click on send. It condensed my 9-minute video into like 10 sentences. Very cool. You can only use this program on a Windows machine running the 3000 or the 4000 series card. Myself, I'm running the 3060 Nvidia card. It's not the best money can buy, but it works just perfectly fine. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.